Welcome to Guyana, a land of rich natural beauty and thriving economic potential. Over the next decade, this South American gem is poised for significant growth across various sectors. Agriculture remains a cornerstone of Guyana's economy. Over the next 10 years, advancements in technology and sustainable farming practices will boost the production of rice, sugar, and other crops. The mining sector, especially bauxite and gold, will continue to play a pivotal role in Guyana's economic growth. With new mining projects on the horizon and improved extraction techniques, the sector is expected to see a steady rise in output and profitability. Guyana's oil and gas industry has gained global attention, thanks to significant offshore discoveries. Over the next decade, this sector will be a major driver of economic growth, attracting foreign investments and creating job opportunities. Guyana's vast forests offer immense potential for sustainable timber production. With a focus on responsible forestry management, the sector will continue to thrive while preserving the nation's rich biodiversity. Export opportunities for timber and related products will expand, contributing to economic growth. The fisheries sector, known for its shrimp and seafood, is set for growth with new investments in modern fishing techniques and processing facilities. Sustainable fishing practices will ensure the long-term viability of this vital industry. Majestic Guyana Falls, to its diverse wildlife, makes it a prime destination for ecotourism. Over the next 10 years, investments in infrastructure and marketing will attract more visitors, boosting the tourism sector and creating new opportunities for local communities. Infrastructure development is key to supporting Guyana's economic growth. Ongoing projects to improve roads, ports, and utilities will facilitate trade and enhance connectivity, making it easier for businesses to operate. The ICT and technology sector is rapidly growing, with new startups and digital services emerging. Over the next decade, increased investment in technology and innovation will drive productivity and open up new economic avenues. The manufacturing sector will see diversification and growth, with an emphasis on producing goods for both local and export markets. Investments in modern equipment and workforce training will enhance productivity and competitiveness. Guyana's banking industry is booming, driving economic growth and innovation. Leading the way, Demerara Bank is becoming fully digital, integrating AI to streamline processes. Government initiatives are driving a robust digital economy, expanding broadband and fostering innovation. Guyana is on the cusp of an economic transformation. With a diverse and dynamic economy, the next 10 years promise growth, innovation, and prosperity. As we look to the future, the opportunities are boundless, and the journey ahead is filled with promise.